Greetings everyone, my name is Matthew from NormanCamera, and today we're going to be unboxing the Lumix S1H. So I'm super stoked about this because this is a 6K video recording camera. It definitely has a lot of features that are geared more towards that video aspect versus the photo, but it still takes amazing images at the same time, keeping up just with the rest of the S1 lineup. But less about specs and more about let's just find out what's in the box. This is our first chance to actually unbox this. So first thing I noticed about the box is that Panasonic does not hold back when it comes to the actual packaging. The first thing that it reminds me of is Apple. Apple pulls out all stops when it comes to packaging, and you just feel good when you get a Apple product. The same for Panasonic's Lumix S1H box. It's this sleek matte black with this accent and this like ridge that's in it at like a weird angle, but it's just clean and simple. Let's start with getting this seal off. This is the most anxious part of the whole thing. Alright, that's it for this unboxing video of the Panasonic Lumix S1H. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, as well as hit subscribe to NormanCamera and hit the bell as well to be notified every time we upload a new video. We've talked a little bit about it on our podcast. There's actually an episode where we discussed when this was released, a little bit about the specs and comparing it to the other cameras that came out around the same time. That link will be in the description, as well as a link to our website where you can pre-order or purchase this depending on when you're watching this video. That is NormanCamera.com. But until next time, keep on shooting. First impressions of the S1H, just by holding it, it definitely has that like S1, S1R kind of feel to it and look to it, but it also kind of reminds me of like the medium form, like the Fuji medium format bodies, like the GFX, which is real weird because it's not even close to the same, like it's not the same company, but like just something about the bulkiness to where the screen is and everything kind of gives me that same vibe, but not quite. Like Fuji's have a little bit of a bigger bulk in the front as well, but this top screen is insane.